confirm dialog box in JavaScript. Sometimes we need to take user's opinion or confirmation on the specific option to proceed. At that time, the user's opinion or confirmation may be yes or no. At that time, confirm dialog box is used in JavaScript. For example, there may be some information or data, and if user try to update or delete the information or data, at that time, once confirmation from user is required, if user really wants to update or delete that specific data. Confirmation box includes two buttons, OK and cancel. If user clicks on the OK button, then method confirm returns true, and when the user clicks on the cancel button, then the confirm method returns false. Let's see with the example how confirm dialog box works in JavaScript. We take a variable reply. If we give only confirm here, and if we see, now we can see confirm dialog box here without any label, but it contains two buttons, OK and cancel. Here we have taken a string or a statement, do you want to eat noodles? And we store this string into this reply variable. Here we can see, do you want to eat noodles? If we click on OK button, we get the message, Sweetie will eat noodles. If we again see, do you want to eat noodles? Now if we click on cancel button, we get the message, Sweetie will not eat noodles. Now we will see another example with confirm dialog box. Here we have taken variable option, and here we have stored this string in this variable, and here we check the condition true or false. If user click on the OK button, then this condition becomes true. If the condition is true, record is deleted. If condition is false, then record is not deleted. Do you want to delete the record? If we click on OK button, then we get the message record is deleted. If we see again, do you want to delete record? And if we click on cancel button, we get the message record is not deleted. So this is all about confirm dialog box in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.